your plank feels comfortable, you're probably not doing it right. Most beginners spend weeks planking and wonder why their core never gets stronger. The exercise isn't the problem, the execution is. Today we're fixing 10 specific mistakes, one by one, so every second you spend planking actually counts. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. You're not winning anything by holding a broken plank for 3 minutes. A sagging back and collapsed shoulders mean your core has already clocked out. You're just suffering with bad posture. Stop when your form breaks. Rest, come back cleaner. The fix. Chase perfect reps, not long ones. A 20-second perfect plank beats 2 minutes of garbage every time. If it's easy, you're cheating somewhere. Mistake 2. Crossing your arms feels natural. It also immediately rounds your shoulders and kills tension through your entire upper body, which collapses your core activation with it. The fix. Forearms flat and parallel, palms pressing actively into the floor. Mistake 3. Looking forward pulls your neck out of neutral and breaks your spinal line from the top down. The fix. Eyes on the floor, head in line with your spine. Mistake 4. Getting into position and waiting is not training. If your muscles aren't actively working, they aren't getting stronger. You're just balancing on your elbows. The fix. Once in position, try to drag your elbows toward your toes. Nothing moves, but your entire core switches on immediately. Mistake 5. Too low. Hips sag, lower back arches, abs switch off, lumbar spine takes the load. Feels sustainable, is useless. Mistake 6. Too high. Hips rise, core goes passive, shoulders carry everything. Looks like effort, produces none. The fix for both. One straight line. Heels, hips, shoulders, head. Squeeze your glutes, engage your quads, hold that line like it's the only thing that matters. Because right now, it is. Mistake 7. Your breathing and your core are directly connected. Holding your breath or taking shallow chest breaths causes your deep core muscles to lose coordination mid-hold. The fix. Inhale through your nose, belly expands, not your chest. Exhale slowly, stay braced throughout. Your abs should be working harder with every breath, not less. Oxygen is free, your core needs it. Mistake 8. Lazy blades. Shoulder blades drifting toward each other equals upper body goes unstable. Fix it by actively pushing the floor away until your upper back broadens slightly. Mistake 9. Shrugged shoulders. Shoulders rising toward your ears equals traps take over. Fix it by pressing down and away. Long neck, low shoulders, strong position. Mistake 10. Bent knees mean reduced core demand and a plank that isn't really a plank. It's a valid regression if you need it, but know that's what it is. The fix. Legs fully straight, quads actively squeezed, feet close together. Wide stance makes it easier. Easier means less progress. For advanced is RKC Plank. Once your standard plank is solid, try this. Get into position, then squeeze everything simultaneously. Fists, arms, glutes, quads, abs, like you're bracing for impact. This is called the RKC Plank. Full body irradiation. It is significantly harder than a regular plank, and 10 to 20 seconds is genuinely enough. Now I want to know, drop it in the comments. How long can you hold a perfect plank? Not your longest ever, a real one. Subscribe if you want more of this, fundamentals done properly every week. See you next time.